Hey everyone, welcome to EmpowrSoft, and we're just so excited to actually give you an update on some of the user interface or basically some of the looks that will be rolled out in just a few days because we have been making sure that all the updates are intuitive enough as we level up more of the how it looks like to you as a user of EmpowrSoft. So let's go through some of the things that I would love to share with you all, particularly when it comes to contact. So we have updated how the contact would look like. So just full disclaimer, these are actually some emails coming just from ChatGPT, just for demo purposes as well. As you can see, the smart list has already changed. So as you can see here, it's no longer like before and how it looked like. And as you will see, it's already like a sheet form wherein you will really have a much more clear look of the list that you have. And now as well, so you can add contacts through here. It's no longer gonna be a pop-up, so it's gonna be from this side of your panel. So make sure to check that one out. You can then customize your list. So for example, if you would love to have it depending on how you want it, you can just have advanced filter. You can sort it by maybe by first name, ascending. You can do it apply, and then as you can see, it's from A. Fields that will show in this column like contact page, right? So there are 6, so you can surely based on your fields that you would love, you can add other things. So for example, if you would love to have a business address, I'm going to apply that one, and that should be able to add here as well. So you can, as I mentioned, you can manage the fields, and then you can also add a custom field over here, and then it will revert back to the custom field in the settings. So let's go back here. So what happened is that on the right side panel before, that was where the advanced filter is, but now it's actually here, and this is where you can then create, for example, you would love to have the like just A, and then you're gonna apply, right? This is where it is at. So then you can do save changes or save as a new smart list, and then you are then going to say new smart list, and then you're going to create, and then as you can see here, here is the drop down. This is where your smart list is, or you can still manage all your smart list that is here, and that will basically just be here. So we called it the new smart list, sorry, here. So every time it's new, it will basically be on all of the left side, gonna be the first thing that you have. So you will see that that is the look that has changed. The bulk action as well has changed in terms of what is it that you have done. You can do the stats on, like for example, what was successful, what was error. You can check that one out, the action that happened here, and this was a tag, this was the action label, and this was the tag added. Of course, you can then still have like the restore. If you want to restore anything, some of the task link is still the same. This has been how it looks like, but if this can be where your task is. Companies, if anyone is related to a company one associated with that list, so like a list person is associated with a company, this is where you can add. So as you can see here, right, this is the information of the company, and then you can then add associates. So for example, Rachel and Benjamin are actually associate of the company one, and then that's where you can add that one. So some people has like, hey, I'm talking to company A, but person A and B are the people that needs to be part there. So that's one thing that you can see, one of the changes. Let me know how you think about that. If you haven't seen that one yet, wait at least 15 days, 14 days. We're rolling that out, and we're so excited for you to know about this update. All right.